Well, I think it's clear at this stage that the family amendment and the care amendment referendums have been defeated. Defeated comprehensively on a respectable turnout. So the government accepts the result and will respect it fully. As head of government and on behalf of the government, we accept responsibility for the result. It was our responsibility to convince a majority of people to vote yes, and we clearly failed to do so. I think we struggled to convince people of the necessity or need for the referendum at all, let alone the detail and the wording, and that's obviously something we're going to have to reflect on into the weeks and months ahead. Well, look, clearly we got it wrong. I think Enda Kenny famously said once that the electorate often gives the government a wallop. This is 2 wallops. It's not the first time, though, a government has lost a referendum. It's actually the 12th and 13th time. So we've seen periods in the past where referendums have been defeated, and unfortunately this is one of those occasions, but we absolutely accept the result and we respect it.